Yeah, I feel bad for you. You're wearing a long sleeve shirt.
Yeah. My goodness. All right.
I can't even think straight. It's so hot in here. It's like, we have all these lights on and they're just like shining down on us and it's brutal.
What's going on, guys? Welcome to a new episode of Friday Fabric Finds for the week of May 23rd, 2025. I'm Mason, the inventory specialist.
I'm Justin, a photographer and product adder.
And this is a series where we go through the newsletter with y'all and show y'all everything in person and give y'all prices and other details on everything we have going on here.
We're going to get started with some deals on Field Furrows Batiks. This is from Banyan. With this deal, you can scoop up the limited Field Furrows kit that's on sale. Originally, it is priced at $199.96. We have them on sale for $119.96. Big ol' sale. Plus, all of the remaining yardage is $9.96. This yardage is perfect for mixing, matching, and making magic. So make sure to harvest some savings with Field Furrows Batiks.
First collection we have to talk about today is the Glorious Fall from Wilmington. This is featuring the Glorious Fall door banner quilt kits, 24-inch panels, and some assorted yardage of the collection. The patterns for this collection are a repeating stripe, pumpkins, serene skies, leaves, and gingham in colors of blue, teal, orange, and brown. So make sure to fall in love with Glorious Fall from Wilmington.
I wish it was fall right now. Oh my
For
goodness.
real.
Yeah. Whew. Hey Pumpkins, we have Hey Pumpkins from Riley Blake. This is featuring fat quarter bundles, 5-inch stackers, 10-inch stackers, 2.5-inch roly-polies. We got the normal pre-cuts, as well as some quilted ornament patterns, pillowcase kits, happy panel quilt kits, 24 and 36-inch panels, 108-inch wide quilt backings, and the full collection of yardage. Woo!
Wow.
Whole lot going on. We got patterns of skeletons, ghosts, jack-o'-lanterns, bats, webs, trick-or-treat words, candy corn, stars, and checks in colors of orange, pink, white, and black. So send cute and creative shivers down your spine with Hey Pumpkin.
Next collection we have for y'all is a fun gnome collection. We know y'all love gnomes out there. This is a collection from Timeless Treasures. It is called Hippie Gnomes. This is featuring a small but full collection that we have. This is patterns such as colorful gnomes and florals set against green and white backgrounds. So make sure to get your groove on with Hippie Gnomes from Timeless Treasures.
We have this really fun collection from Riley Blake called Costume Maker Act 2 from Riley Blake once again. This is featuring fat quarter bundles, 5-inch stackers, the step right up quilt kits, multiple 24-inch panels, there's like 4 of them, as well as 108-inch wide backings and the assorted yardage. This collection is inspired by a rare set of antique sewing patterns from the late 1800s, including patterns of costumes, tape measures, jack-o'-lanterns, scaredy cats, ticket grids, ticket texts, webs, and a whole lot more. I couldn't even put it all on this, as well as in colors of orange, yellow, white, and black. So make sure to creep it real with Costume Makers Act 2.
Next thing we're going to talk about is a fat quarter bundle we have on sale right now. This is the Cowboys fat quarter bundle from Riley Blake.
Yeehaw!
This is featuring 25 fat quarter pieces. The original price of this fat quarter bundle was $92.96, but we have it on sale for you at $68.96. So make sure to wrangle up a deal with these Cowboy fat quarter bundles from Riley Blake.
Thank goodness with this, I don't have to say kangaroo because we got a hot pre-order on Sweet as Honey quilt kits. This is featuring Winnie the Pooh from Riley Blake. This kit is quick and easy to sew. Even we could probably do it. Kits are scheduled to ship in December and January. Each kit is $91.96. So make sure to catch the buzz and pre-order the Sweet as Honey quilt kits before Pooh eats them all up.
Next item we're going to talk about is things that have been going crazy off the shelf, including last night at our event. This is the 1-yard cuts that we have been updating daily on our website. We are just cutting a ton of 1-yard pieces of different types of fabric, different material fabric, anything from linen to regular cotton to a bunch of other different types. These are all priced at $9.96. They're fantastic deals. You won't find better deals anywhere else. And like I said, we update it daily, so make sure you check back daily to see what new 1-yard cuts we have. And make sure to get them quick because, like I said, they're flying off the shelf.
All right, and as always, we have the comment of the week where we pull a comment from last week to read on this week's episode. And this week, we have Sydney Sandberg who wrote, "You guys are so funny. Do you write the jokes in script or is everything improv?" And that's a fantastic question in my opinion. To answer this question, as you can see, we have an iPad here. We're looking at the newsletter as we go down. And before each episode, we have these little like blue text that we write on the side that lets us know like what the patterns are in the collection, as well as the colors, as well as kind of like the tagline that we say. And, you know, I'll show some visuals of what we're looking at. But thank you so much, Sydney, for asking this question. Thank you for watching our content. Make sure to leave a comment down below and you might be picked for next week's episode, just like Sydney here.
And as always, thank you so much for watching this episode. If you enjoyed it, make sure to leave a like, maybe even subscribe, and also ring that bell so you get notified every single time we upload anything to this channel. Make sure to leave a comment. You might be featured on next week's comment of the week. And also follow us on social media. The links for those are down in the description. But without further ado, we're going to say peace and we're going to see y'all next week.